Hello! Today I'm going to show you a wonderful, interesting property in a small village between Perugia and Todi. You can see the Tiber Valley below. You can see the Mount Subasio over there, Di Ruta. And what I'm going to show you is this little gem. This is a really cute property. It might have been a little church. It's called Santa Caterina, and it has another entrance over there from that side. And anyway, here you can sit outside on this terrace in front of the house on a little bench. And the house was a ruin when the people bought it 20 years ago, and they turned it into a beautifully restored, cozy home with a fireplace, a wood stufa, as you can see. It also has a normal heating system with radiators and on mains gas. A beautiful internal staircase going up later, and I'll show you later. Here is a sitting room, a dining room, very nice and cozy with the original beams that have been kept. The owner is a carpenter, and you can really see he treated the wood in a perfect way and maintains it also very well. And on this side, an annex was added on, an extra room with, as you can see, a high ceiling with a glass Velux window, which is their main bedroom, with a bathroom, as you can see here. Hello. Here with the shower and very nice features with the old stones, the old stone walls. The house was built, or is built, into the castle walls of this little village. Here on this side there is a door. You can go outside here as well. And here are the technical things, the heating system, the water system, the water sweetener, softener, and things like that. Okay, well, we go up to the first floor, and I'll later show you the lower floor, which is very interesting too. But first we'll go up, okay? So here we are in the kitchen, a very cozy kitchen with all the appliances. The kitchen will stay, okay? You have beautiful views again from the window looking outside onto Subasio, Valle del Tevere, and part of the village. Okay, here is the door leading outside to the second entrance to the little street. Okay, before we were over there on that side, so it has two entrances. Okay. The house is about 150 square meters large. And here we have a very nice bathroom, the large bathroom with a tub. I'll put some lights on. The air blower is working with a nice shower as well. Okay, it's all new, very stylish and well done. So then we go up to the top floor. Oh, and these are made of solid olive wood, which is very special. Okay, let me see, a small room here, the top floor, which is actually now used as a study, but a studio, but of course it could be a perfect bedroom for two persons. There is also air conditioning, and again, nice views onto the village and the valley. And here we enter another large bedroom Very nice, with a large wardrobe. Views onto the roofs of the village on that side and onto the little street here on this side. Beautiful. The sun comes up here on this side in the morning, so what you see now is more sunset on that side of the village. See, there are many screens as well, fly screens, and here is a very special feature of the property. The balcony with great views high on top of the castle walls of the village. Here, as you can see. Ooh, we're very high up here. With those great views. These little tables can be put in and out. They were made in the village over there in Perugia. Isn't that nice? Okay, so we go back in. The house is well heated in winter, and cool also in summer. Here we go. And the owners are leaving because they used to have it as their holiday home, which was perfect because there was no garden that they had to take care of, and they could just shut the door and leave. But now they are living here, really. They have been living here for a few years now, and with their dogs, here another olive living here, with their dogs they prefer to have a garden, so that's why they are changing. Although they are sorry to leave because they really love the property. Okay, now let me see. Okay, here is the room again. And now we go further down below to the lower floor, where we have the cellar and the washing machine and laundry and storage area here, which is perfect. Also the wood storage on this side below the stairs, and you can see the beautiful old doors that have been reused. And over here is a cellar, the wine cellar. They closed it at the end, but the tunnel continues way under the village, for better security they closed it in. Okay, so, well, yeah, that's about it. Let me just show you one last shot of the facade of the house, and then go to our website to have some more information on the property, the price, and all the other information about this lovely property. Okay, so go to www.lecasedidori.com. Bye bye.